Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about tips to have a vacation. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Tips to have a vacation. Taking a vacation is a great way to relax, recharge, and enjoy new experiences. Here are some tips to help you plan and have a successful, enjoyable vacation. Number 1, set a budget. Determine how much you can afford to spend on your vacation. This will help you make decisions about your destination, the length of your trip, and the type of accommodation activities you can afford. Number 2, choose a destination. Select a destination that suits your interests and budget. Consider factors like the climate, local attractions, and cultural experiences. Research different options to find the best fit for you. Number 3, plan in advance. Book your travel and accommodation well in advance to secure better prices and availability. This is especially important for popular destinations during peak seasons. Number 4, pack light. Pack only what you need and try to limit your luggage to essentials. Overpackaging can be cumbersome and costly, especially if you need to check multiple bags or pay for excess baggage. Number 5, travel off-peak. If possible, travel during non-peak times to take advantage of lower prices and fewer crowds. Off-peak travels can also provide a more relaxed and authentic experience. Number 6, travel insurance. Consider purchasing travel insurance to protect yourself in case of an unexpected event such as trip cancellations, medical emergencies, or lost luggage. Number 7, plan your itinerary. Create a rough itinerary of activities and attractions you like to visit. This will help you make the most of your time and ensure you don't miss out on anything important. Number 8, stay flexible. While planning is important, it's also essential to stay flexible. Sometimes the most memorable experiences happen simultaneously, so be open to changes in your plans. Number 9, research local cuisine. Try local dishes and restaurants to immerse yourself in the culture and flavor the destination. Don't miss the opportunity to explore the local culinary scene. 10, disconnect. Consider unplug from work or digital devices during your vacation. Disconnecting can help you relax and fully enjoy your time away. Number 11, safety first. Prioritize your safety while traveling. Keep important documents secure, be aware of your surroundings, and take necessary precautions to protect your belongings. Number 12, respect local customs. Be mindful of local customs, traditions, and etiquette. This shows respect for the culture you're visiting and can enhance your travel experience. Number 13, keep important documents handy. Make photocopies of your passport, ID, travel insurance, and other important documents. Keep both physical and digital copies in separate secure locations. 14, pack a first aid kit. Include essential medical supplies like pain relievers, band-aids, and any personal medications you may need. It's better to be prepared for minor health issues. 15, enjoy the moment. Finally, remember to enjoy the experience, capture memories with photos, but also take time to fully immerse yourself in the present moment and savor your vacation. Whether you're planning a short weekend getaway or an extended international trip, careful planning and preparation can help ensure a smooth and memorable vacation. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation and report on tips to have a vacation. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.